Welcome friends, you're watching new video from Andorid channel. In this video I'm showing to you how to unprint or remove all Facebook print in one click. Okay, let's start. Please first subscribe my channel and hit bell icon to never miss an update. Okay, first friends, your will be download first Yandex browser. I will get this application, this link in this video description. Okay, first download Yandex browser, then open your Facebook account in this browser. Okay, now click on three dots and click on go to full site. Okay, now click here. Okay friends, open new tab. Okay, click on plus, search for Chrome's web store. Okay, Chrome web store, click on search. Okay, now click on three dots. Okay, first click on three dots, select desktop site. Okay, now open Chrome web store extension. Okay, go to full site. Okay, now click on Chrome web store extension. Now search here, type toolkit for Facebook. Okay, just search for toolkit for Facebook FB. Okay, now click on search. You will get this application. Okay, toolkit for FB. Okay, now add to Chrome. Click here, add to Chrome, checking, click on add extension. Okay, download will be start. Okay, download started. Okay, now close this tab. Okay, open Facebook tab again. Click on three dots, go to full site. Okay, now click again on three dots, click on extension, toolkit for FB. Now search, what do you want? I want to unprint all Facebook prints by one click. Okay, unprints, type unprints. Okay, here we have two options: unprint active Facebook prints. Okay, all active Facebook prints, or unprint all inactive Facebook prints. Okay, inactive Facebook print and active Facebook prints. Okay, everyone, if you want, select it. Then again click on three dots. Okay, go to full site. Now you will get this page. Okay, now select three scanned, select all prints, click on start removing prints. Your all Facebook print will be deleted. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon, like this video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.